If I want to do research or look up the definition of a word here like oils, let's say I don't know what that is, I can go ahead and right click on the word, go down the shortcut menu to Lookup and say I want to check out the dictionary. Go ahead and click on it. Brings up the task pane and it says it's a thick greasy liquid. Cool. Once you're over here you can click on the drop down arrow and you can choose other options. Instead of the dictionary you can go ahead and look up oils in a thesaurus. Well, that's hard to say. And then you can see the synonyms there, lubricants, emollients, fats. You can go ahead and click on it, and then it changes the search to fats. Of course, if you click on the corresponding drop-down arrow, you can insert that, and it changes my oils to blubbers. That's not really appetizing there. I can go ahead and click undo and get rid of that, back to oils. And then I can come back here and click back and go back to my original search, which is for oils. Click on the drop-down arrow. Search sites if I have a favorite site, or if I want to come down here and click on the research options, you can go ahead and activate a service for searching that will display when you click on the corresponding drop down arrow by checking one of these boxes like I guess Korean, French, whatever you want to do there. Click on add services. If you have a website address that will work with Microsoft Word here, go ahead and list it there, click add, and then check it, and it'll be in the drop down arrow when it comes to searching for your keywords here. Let me close out. Then when you're done, you can close out of here. Of course, it's also available up here on the Review tab, Research as well. Click on it, brings it up for oils, or if we go ahead and select shrubs and close out, and then click on Research for shrubs, it brings up shrubs. Okay. Of course, we have to click on the Go button for shrubs, otherwise it leaves the search results for oils still, and then it updates to bushes.
Thanks for watching. Hey, as a quick reminder, if you like my video, please give it a thumbs up. You can also click on me and subscribe to my channel to get notified of the latest videos. And for great specials on my products, please see the description below this video.